guess so. Because it's dinner time, so they gotta go get their food. There's 2 birds at least. Oh, 3. See how they do? Weeble wobble, weeble wobble. Now he doesn't even look like a hawk. Is he? Gotta be, right? I don't know what kind of orange tree that is, but it's pretty cool. Oh my goodness. It's kind of moundy. Oh boy. That means we've got the attention of somebody here. But it sounds like you're like even closer. You're like right the fuck above me. But you're one of those like fuck baby ones. That flag keeps throwing the flip off. Yeah, they're dropping shit on me alright. Like, no joke about it. No jokes. We got 0 jokes. You know, these people's driveway. Long driveway.